Good evening, welcome back to our session on MCQ solving. We will continue to the MCQ to be discussed in this session. The question given to you is the equation of tangent of the ellipse x squared plus 3y squared equal to 3, which is perpendicular to the straight line. 4y is equal to x minus 5 is given. There are four options. The equation of the ellipse, which is x squared plus 3y squared equal to 3. X squared plus 3y squared equal 3, which is not in standard form. So I need to make the RHS 1 only. So I am dividing by 3 everywhere. I get x squared by 3 plus y squared by 1 equal to 1. So that brings us to the standard form of the ellipse, which means the a square value is 3 and b squared value is 1. Also, let me write semi-major axis A square root 3 and semi-minor B value is 1. Okay, what is the benefit? What we want is the equation of tangent, but the tangent must be, we want a tangent. I am using our notation. Tangent must be perpendicular to the line. 4y equal x minus 5. 4y equal x minus 5, which means the given line in the question has a slope of 1 by 4. So given line has slope 1 by 4, which you can check with bringing it in the form of y equal mx plus c, x by 4 minus 5 by 4. So m is 1 by 4. When our tangent is perpendicular to the line with slope 1 by 4, so the students can easily guess the slope of tangent, which has to be negative reciprocal, which is minus 4. Once we get the value of slope of tangent, well, if you are very lucky, the JEE question may have just one option with slope minus 4. Then the students are very happy. But you see that all the four options are having slope. Not all the four, but option A, option B, C are all having the slope minus 4, and option D has a slope of positive 4. So option D is definitely out of our discussion, but there are constant terms. The constant terms given are plus 7, negative 6, negative 7, which will be the confusion now. So we need to select the constant. How are we going to select the constant? See, there is an ellipse, and we know already the equation. I am just arbitrarily I am drawing tangent. I don't know the slope of tangent, which means minus 4. So that means I understand the line has a descending slope, m is minus 4. Okay, that much. So how are we going to decide the constant term? It would be better if I have the point of contact. If I have the point of contact, then the point I will try to satisfy in the equation option A or B or C. That is very easily done, because any point on the ellipse can be represented, by A cos theta comma B sin theta. So A value is root 3 cos theta followed by 1 B sin theta, that is 1 sin theta. We also know from I have discussed during our theory, JEE theory, the slope of tangent in terms of the parameter theta. Okay, so one session we have devoted to discussion of the parametric form, and we know the slope of tangent as negative b by a tan theta. So this is the slope of tangent, and we already know this is going to be minus 4, and we know every value of b and a, that is 1, negative 1 by a value is root 3 tan theta. Sorry. So m of tangent is minus 4, and which is equal to negative 1 divided by root 3 tan theta. So I can get the value of tan theta, which is 1 by 4 root 3, which means with the help of simply making a right angled triangle quickly, I am able to get the values of cos theta and sin theta, because I can work out the hypotenuse from here. So square root of 1 plus 4 root 3 whole square, that makes the by Pythagoras theorem I get the value of hypotenuse as 7. So you can easily understand cos theta is 4 root 3 by 7, followed by sin theta, which is 1 by 7. So what is the point of contact? The point of contact is root 3, 4 root 3 by 7, followed by 1 into sin theta only, 1 by 7 only. That gives me 12 by 7 and 1 by 7, which are x and y coordinates. 12 by 7 and 1 by 7. Now it is easy for you to decide the option, which option is apt. Substituting 12 by 7 and 1 by 7, let us check for option 1, 4x plus y. 4x plus y will give 4 times 12 plus 1, 49 by 7, 7. 4x plus y is 7. So A and B definitely are not the options. Option C can satisfy, because it is 4x plus y minus 7 is 0. So you can easily check 4 into 12 by 7 plus 1 by 7, which makes 49 by 7, minus 7 will give 0. So the option we have chosen is C. Well, the next question for our discussion is, the question reads like this: if 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 root 2, and it is given that is a tangent. So tangent equation, you are having 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y is 12 root 2. Okay. For some a, the ellipse says x square by a square plus y square by 9 equal to 1 for some a. Well, x square by a squared plus y squared by 9 is equal to 1. And let me write this equation of tangent as y equal to negative 3x by 4 plus 12 root 2 by 4. So 4y equal to negative 3x plus 12 root 2. That makes y value minus 3 by 4x, which is slope, and y intercept 12 root 2 by 4, which means the y intercept C. Do not students, I wish students are not getting confused. The C what I am referring to here is the y intercept obtained from straight line equation, that is the tangent equation, which is 3 root 2 in this case. and slope m is negative 3 by 4. So once we get the values of m and c, it is very easy to get the value of a square. How are we going to do it? So we know that we have given sufficient foundation for the theory on JEE concept. The condition for the line to be tangent is c square must be same as a square m square plus b square. So squaring this c, I get 18, a square I don't know, and m squared is 9 by 16 plus b squared is 9 from the equation of ellipse. So as you can see, I can square off the 9 as common factor. So what I have is a square by 16 is 2 difference 1, I get 1. That gives me the answer for a square as 16. A square as 16. The very next moment you will be in a position to get the value of the distance between the foci, and the a square value is 16. I hope it's all visible to the students. So a squared is equal to 16. Therefore, now we are discussing c. C, when I say c, this is the c value from ellipse, that is root over of a square minus b square, that is root over of 16 minus 9, and that gives square root 7, and distance between foci happens to be 2c, distance between the foci. So your choice must be 2 root 7, so which is available in option 2. Available in option 2. Let me recap. Our intention is to discover the distance between the foci. C plus comma 0, negative c comma 0, we know for a standard ellipse those represent coordinates of foci. Distance between them is 2c. Okay, we are applying the tangency condition of line to touch ellipse. With the help of the condition, you can see we are able to arrive at the value of a square and hence the answer. And we will pause for a minute. I can request the students to go through the solution. In the meantime, the next question will be displayed. Thank you.